Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Benta, and today's video is long overdue because I know a lot of you guys have already seen that my space, my closet slash office is done, and you're wondering why that video is not up. Oh my goodness, this has been months and months and months of work, but it's been done for quite a while, except some little knickknacks that needed to be added. You know me, I wanted to make sure I add a couple of stuff before I start putting the video on YouTube. So yeah, guys, and this closet slash office is an IKEA um, closet system. Okay, it is called the PAX system, and I am so happy. I'm so excited of the outcome, the end result. Everything is about this closet makes me happy. Okay, so first of all, I went with IKEA for a couple of reasons. Okay, one, because it's a lot cheaper. Two, I can save money by building it by myself, or even if I hire a contractor, it will cost less money than going with a closet company. And we're on budget, so we don't want to spend any crazy money. We're not ready to spend it, and I don't think just a closet for me is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. And if I mean 10,000 plus dollars. I don't think it's worth it for me, so I went ahead with the IKEA system. So as you guys can see, I am building my closet, and it's a whole bedroom that I transform into my closet. Okay, closet meaning closet slash office, because this space is where I have my little office where I'm gonna be editing my videos. I have my computer here. I have my beauty area as well, and my dressing area as well. So it's everything all in one. So it's considered a closet. Okay. So right now, what I'm doing is trying to fix the Billy bookcase. Now, I went with two different styles of frames. One is the Billy bookcase, and then the other one is the closet system itself, which is called the PAX system. Okay, which is the one that I'm using for all my clothing, where I'm gonna put drawers in. Basically, everything important to me clothes wise it's going to be in my pack system, and shoe wise is going to be in my Billy bookcase. Two reasons why I choose the Billy bookcase: because it's slimmer, and the space that the Billy is going is not very wide, it's not big, it's like a reach in closet, and that's why I went with the Billy bookcase. So that was very important for me because there was no way the PAX is gonna fit in that space. The PAX is very deep, it's 22 to 23 inches deep, while the Billy is just 11 inches deep. So what I did is, excuse me for that noise. What I did is I went with two Billy bookcases on the side, and then I'm going to put the PAX in the center of my shoe and bag closet, and the rest of the room would be for my clothes and all those goodness. Okay, so this was a lot of work. Like I told you guys, this took me almost a week to build the whole system, the frames, and also my island. Yes, I do have an island. I did not get the island from IKEA, but you guys are gonna see all that as we go through this video. So I was exhausted. I was tired. My knees was hurting. The first day I did not put on a knee pad, but whoo, what a lesson. I quickly grabbed my knee pad the second day because my knees were on fire. So yes, guys, a lot of people be like, "Oh, this closet system, I can't build it myself." But I'm telling you guys, you can do it. If I can do it, then you can do it. Okay, it just takes a lot of time, yes, and dedication and patience. But once you fix one frame, all the other ones are an easy go. You know, IKEA furnitures, how they are. They're very easy to fix as long as You go through the book and then you understand it. Once you fix one, everything else comes easy. So, yes, guys. Now, while I'm building and you guys are watching, let me tell you guys a couple of things about going for the IKEA closet system. I've had different contractors come to my house, make measurements, and um, give me quotes on closets. And my goodness, the price, if you've ever tried to contract a closet company for your walk-in closet, you know how ridiculous the price is. It was just too much. The least I got was um $10,000. And let me tell you guys, it's not even close to what I have here. All the beautiful shelves and everything I have here is not even close to what I was quoted for. The price 10,000. I was quoted 10,000 for the most basic, like hanging and a couple of shelves. Drawers, it was like only 4 drawers, and I was quoted for $10,000. And there was another one that went all the way to 15. Basically, closets can go, especially big walk-in closets, which is considered a bedroom, can go up to 10, 15 to $20,000, depending on what exactly you want. So that is crazy. So yeah, guys, and this particular closet that I'm building, that you guys are watching right now, and did not go above 5,000, or even if it does, it's just a little bit above $5,000, and that includes everything: my makeup desk and my computer desk, everything. So, but for only the IKEA system, I spent exactly $3,000 for only the IKEA system, which is the Billy bookcases and the PAX frames. The reason why I spent $3,000 was because I went with the most fancy stuff that they have that can make this closet looks very nice and appealing to the eye, sleek and elegant, which are like the glass shelves, the pull-out drawers. I get a lot of things that jacked up the price to that. But if you're gonna go with the basic shelves and not all those pull-outs and stuff like that, you're gonna spend a lot less than I did. So yes, guys, like I said, $3,000 for the whole pack system. And for my island, I got from another website, which I'm going to be leaving the link down below. The island itself is 1,000 plus, 1,000 and few dollars. So that was it. And I'm so happy. This island is beautiful. It just adds a touch to this room. It just makes it more beautiful and elegant, and I'm happy that I got it. So as you guys can see right now, I have already built the other part of the closet, which is the two Billy bookcases. Now I have moved on to the pack system. You guys are watching me build the pack system. As you guys can see, I have gone far at this point. I have started putting the drawers. I have started putting all the other inserts like the pull-outs, pants hangers, the glass shelves. So yeah, I'm just doing this little by little. And you guys can see I'm putting my knee pad on right now. It's very necessary. I made a mistake. If you're going to build this closet by yourself, you're going to be doing a lot of kneeling. You're going to be doing a lot of bending, a lot of standing. So get yourself prepared, get yourself hydrated, because I was sweaty and tired at this point. And I believe this here is day 2 of me building the closet. So yeah, look at that pull-out shelf. It's so beautiful. That is where the jewelries are gonna go. But yeah, guys, at this point, I'm just keeping it up, keep it rolling. But honestly, I was tired because this room is a bedroom. It's big, and having to build a whole system in it is going to be hard. But I'm happy, very happy, that I did not pay anybody to do this for me, because I know that I would have paid over $1,000 if someone else was to do it for me, and that is excluding everything I already spent on the closet system itself. So yeah, guys. So if you guys are wanting to do the IKEA system, I would say go ahead. It's a good alternative, and a lot of people would say, oh, the material is different from the other companies, blah, blah, blah. But for me, this is not a room that I'm going to be sleeping in. This is not a room that we're going to be playing in or the kids are going to be playing in. So this is a room just for dressing, doing your work on the computer, putting on your makeup and stuff like that. So you spend less time in this kind of room. So why spend so much money if it's unnecessary? I don't see how I'm going to be, messing up these frames so easily. These will last me for a very long time, years before I something can happen to this, as far as I'm concerned. Because yes, I can be messy, but when it comes to this room, I don't think I am that messy to to just damage stuffs in this room. No, 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 no. So yeah, like I said, if you're looking to go with the IKEA system, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. It's amazing. It's a good system. Go ahead and save yourself some money. Even if you're going to get somebody build it for you, but at least go with the system. That's going to save you thousands of dollars. Okay. So as you guys can see now, I am trying to fix the doors. I got some mirror doors. Yes, guys, this is another tip that I went with. Instead of finding a whole standing mirror, I went ahead with the glass mirror doors for some of my frames, and I'm so happy that I did that because it saved me from going to get an extra mirror, and also at the same time, space saving, because if I had got an extra mirror, I would still have to get find space to put that mirror in. Okay, and for a dressing room, you obviously need a mirror. I need a mirror everywhere in my house. So yes, guys. So now, if you're gonna go with this system, let me warn you guys, it takes quite a while because this closet system runs out of stock like crazy. Sometimes things can come in stock today, and before I make it to the store, it's already out. So most times what I do, as soon as I get an alert that it is in stock, I just place the order online and do pickup. So I go ahead and pick it up once it's ready. Because if you're gonna drive, especially if you live like far from the store, like I live only 30 minutes from the store, and sometimes, because mind you, this alert goes to so many people that are signed up for this closet system. So it's a first come, first serve thing. Most people would do it online, and before you get to the store, everything is sold out, which is why my closet took months and months and months before I was able to get everything. Sometimes the drawers would come in stock. I go grab that. Maybe next week, something else will come in stock, like the pull out shelves, yeah, and then I'll go get that. Then glass shelf is out of stock, and then I'll go get that weeks later. So basically, that's how you juggle this whole thing. It is very stressful, to be honest. The best thing, obviously, we all wanted would be to place your order and get your stuff in one go ASAP. But that's not how this system works. This closet system works at IKEA because so many people want it. So, as you guys can see right now, I am building the island. And this island is beautiful. I absolutely love it so much. Okay, I got this from home Naples Home Styles, I think. So, but I'm gonna leave a link down below, and I got the most reasonable price because they have this island in so many websites, but it is basically delivered right from the warehouse. I think I saw it on Home Depot. I saw it on Amazon. It's sold out on Amazon, and I saw it on different websites. But some websites were like 1,500. I saw a website that was like 1,800, but I got this for less than 1,100. So this was the best price. I think I got it for $1,078, and I'm going to make sure I leave the link down below for you guys. It comes with a marble top, very sleek, very beautiful and very, very spacious. And that is where I'm going to be having a couple of my scarves and all these hair stuffs, little hair stuffs. But you can use this for jewelry if you want. I already have a jewelry space in my PAX system, so I'm not going to be using it for jewelry. But yeah, the marble is super heavy. I was barely able to like put it on top of the thing because it was just so strong, so heavy. But yeah, guys, so this is my closet system that I built all by myself, and I went ahead and put some knobs on it that I got from Amazon. Very beautiful. Links would be down below. I also went ahead and got some lights from Amazon, put it there. Links would be down below. Again, it just makes the closet so beautiful when you put the lights in it. Okay, it just makes it nice. You can get these lights at IKEA too, but I don't know. I feel like the IKEA light is a lot of work. These ones, you just stick it there and you're good to go. But yeah, guys, that is it for me building this closet. You guys stay tuned for me trying to put things together, my clothes, and an entire closet tour after that. So I have two more videos of this closet coming up, which will be me organizing the closet, and also the next one would be the closet tour itself. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you like this video, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up. Hit on the notification bell so you can get notified each time I upload a video. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye bye.